Here's how you turn an Instagram account into an Instagram business account in less than 60 seconds. Okay. It's actually 90 seconds, but the information is just that good, you're gonna wanna stick around. Once you've logged into Instagram, you're gonna wanna go to your profile. From there, select the settings and privacy option, and then scroll down until you can find account type and tools. From there, you want to select switch to a professional account, and then at this point, you'll have to choose which category best describes you. There's a number of categories available, and you can also use the search categories option to find something that might be the best suited for you. In this case, I'm going to say digital creator, and then select display on profile, so I get that nice little badge underneath my account name on my profile. From here, I'll select done, and then it will take up to 30 seconds to create the professional account. Finally, Instagram will ask whether or not you're a creator or a business. I'm gonna select creator in this case, and then hit next. Instagram will then ask to sign up for promotional emails, which is up to you. I'm going to say no. You'll then have the option to share your login with the account center. I'm going to say no. Finally, you'll be directed to a page where Instagram asks you to complete setting up your professional account. While you don't actually have to complete any of these steps, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with some of the tools that Instagram offers in its professional accounts. There's many different options for you to start your professional account on the right foot. And there you go, you've switched to a professional account. So there you have it. That's how you switch from a normal Instagram account to a business Instagram account in less than 60 seconds.